Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today I'm going to show you how to print reports from our battery test tool to your printer. So the first thing you'll do is you'll download this file from our website, battery tester, and then once you save it on your computer and it's completely downloaded, hit extract all. You can leave it in the same folder or whatever folder you like. And then you're going to get these folders here. Once the zip file is extracted, first you are going to open USB driver and then run the drivers and install them. Now I have already installed them, so it's gonna ask me, whether to modify or remove. But you wanna continue with installation in your case. So doing it first time, and then you'll see this screen here. It says finished, complete. Once you're done with that, you wanna come back up one folder and then go to print software. You have this .exe file right here. Run this. Now Windows might not recognize the file at first, so hit more info up here and then run anyway. Alright, so the first time it opens, if it's not in English, you have this drop down right here. The second option on the drop down is English, so select that. Now we're ready to connect our battery tester, which I'm gonna just plug it into a USB port. The NC communication port 3, pick that up, and then we hit open port. And then you can see here, now we're actually connected to the battery tester, but there's nothing on the screen. So on the battery tester, it has powered on, like it will power on through the USB port. You want to scroll down till you see print data. And again, this you were doing on the battery tester itself. Screen, and then you press enter. And this is where you see all the reports on the battery tester. And then from here, you can copy them and put them on a file, or you can print them. Hit print on the top, and then you hit this print button right here. And you select your printer and print. And then once you're done, you can go ahead and clear the data. It will clear it from the battery tester. So that's it. That's how you print the reports you have saved on your YOUCANIC battery tester. Thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can get YOUCANIC.